Overwhelmed by your schedule? These 3 AI hacks will save your day. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're sharing 3 AI hacks for busy people that will save you time and boost your productivity. Let's dive right in. Hack 1. Smart Scheduling with Calendly. Hack number 1. Smart Scheduling with Calendly. Tired of back and forth emails trying to find a meeting time? Calendly syncs with your calendar and lets others book time slots that work for you. It's a game changer for managing your schedule. No more calendar chaos. Hack 2. Email Management with SaneBox. Host hack number 2, email management with SaneBox. If your inbox feels like a black hole, SaneBox is here to rescue you. It uses AI to prioritize important emails and filter out the noise. You'll spend less time sifting through messages and more time focusing on what really matters. Hack 3. Task Automation with Zapier. Host, and finally, hack number 3. Task Automation with Zapier. This tool connects your favorite apps and automates repetitive tasks. For example, you can set it up to automatically save email attachments to your cloud storage. Less manual work means more time for you to tackle your to-do list. Host, and there you have it. 3 AI hacks to help busy people like you reclaim your time. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more productivity hacks. Until next time, stay efficient.